Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a new LinkedIn account. And let's get started. To start, go to LinkedIn's official website, linkedin.com, or download the LinkedIn app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Both options works the same, so choose whichever you prefer. Once you're on the LinkedIn homepage, click on the Join Now option to create a new account. Now enter your email address and click on Agree and Join. Now you must create a strong password which has 6 or more characters. After you have typed your email address and password, click on the option saying Agree and Join. Now enter your first and last name and click on Continue. In this step, LinkedIn will ask you for your country and location. This helps potential employers or connections in your area to find you. So fill in your information and then click on Next. You will be needing to add a photo which will help people to recognize you. For adding a photo, click on the option saying Add a photo. For this tutorial, I will be clicking on Skip for now. At this point, LinkedIn will send a verification code to the email address. Check your inbox, find the code and enter it in the LinkedIn app. You can skip this step, but I recommend setting up a strong profile right away to make a great first impression. After setting up your profile, LinkedIn will ask you if you want to follow certain companies or connect with people you might know. This helps to build your network and show relevant job posting. You can also follow or connect with more people later, so feel free to skip or choose now. And that's it, your new LinkedIn account is ready to go. Now you can explore LinkedIn, customize your profile further, start connecting and look for job opportunities if you're interested. I hope this guide helped you get started on LinkedIn. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching and good luck with building your LinkedIn networks.